Hi everyone, welcome to Unlisted Zone, your go-to destination for everything about the unlisted market. Are you holding unlisted shares and wondering how to sell them? You are in the right place. In this video, we will explain the step-by-step process for selling unlisted shares, whether your Demat account is with NSDL or CDSL. To sell unlisted shares, the process depends on the depository where your Demat account is held. Here is a simplified explanation. If your Demat account is with NSDL, you will need to use a Delivery Instruction Slip (DIS) to initiate the transfer of shares. Here is how. Step-by-step process. First, obtain a DIS form. Request a DIS form from your depository participant, such as your broker or bank. Second, fill in the details. Mention the recipient's Demat account details, 16-digit NSDL Demat ID starting with IN. Specify the ISIN of the unlisted shares. Enter the number of shares to be transferred. Mention the settlement type as off-market. Third, submit the form. Submit the filled DIS to your DP. Now fourth one, verification and execution. The DP verifies and processes the transfer. The shares are transferred to the buyer's Demat account. Now we will understand how to transfer shares in CDSL Demat. You can use CDSL Easiest, a digital platform for share transfer. First, register for CDSL Easiest. Log into your CDSL account and register for the Easiest feature. Second, log into CDSL Easiest. After registration, log into the platform. Third, initiate the transfer. Select the Setup Transfer option. Enter the buyer's Demat account details. Specify the ISIN quantity and settlement type as off-market. 4. Authorize the transfer. Authorize the transaction using the OTP or PIN. Now 5th, completion. Once authorized, the shares are transferred electronically to the buyer's Demat account. Key points to remember. Stamp duty. A stamp duty currently that is 0.015% is applicable on the transaction value of unlisted shares. This is calculated and paid during the process. Transaction agreement. Ensure you have a signed agreement or confirmation of the deal with the buyer, mentioning the agreed price and terms. Tax implications. Selling unlisted shares may attract capital gains tax. Short-term capital gains or long-term capital gains will apply depending on the holding period. Short-term that is less than 24 months, long-term that is 24 months or more. And that's it. Selling unlisted shares isn't as complicated as it seems once you know the right process. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update about the unlisted market. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy investing.